Hi everyone, my name is Chris Greer and welcome to my course, Mastering TCP Analysis with Wireshark. I'm a network analyst at Packet Pioneer and I've been using Wireshark to troubleshoot pesky network problems for over 15 years. I'm excited for the opportunity to teach you more about TCP and how to analyze it with Wireshark. After all, TCP is a bridge between the network and the application traffic that traverses it. But few in the IT organization have a solid grasp of how it really works. With a thorough understanding of TCP, engineers can quickly pinpoint and resolve issues that plague performance, rather than guessing at a solution and hoping for the best. In this hands-on, exercise-driven course, we're going to go beyond the basics of the TCP protocol and dive deep into its function and behavior. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include TCP SAC and packet loss recovery, congestion control algorithms, and graphing TCP streams in Wireshark. By the end of this course, you'll have a skilled understanding of how to analyze TCP to resolve network problems for good. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of how TCP works. You should have already viewed the course Foundational TCP Analysis with Wireshark or have an intermediate understanding of the protocol. I hope you'll join me on this journey to examine TCP with the course Mastering TCP Analysis with Wireshark here on Pluralsight.